So the question is, what will be the order of del? It's given in the question. The charge of proton is negative E and the electron is E plus del. And the net electrostatic force and gravitational force between two hydrogen atoms placed at a distance d apart is 0. Whereas the value of mass of hydrogen is given in the question. So, for the force to cancel each other, the electrostatic force must be equal and opposite to the gravitational force. So, here we can write the electrostatic force will be equal to gravitational force. So, first we have to calculate the equation for electrostatic force. The electrostatic force between two hydrogen atoms can be calculated using a Coulomb's law and its formula, which is nothing but 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Whereas it's given in the question, there is two particles and which is having a charge of E, negative E and E plus del. So now we can apply the values. So it can be written as Fe is equal 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught modulus of E, negative E times E plus del E divided by R square. So it can be written as Fe is equal 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught times E plus del E divided by R square. Similarly, we can write the formula for gravitational force as well. It's known that the gravitational force is always equal to Gm divided by d square. Here we are calculating for hydrogen atom. So we can write Gn h square divided by d square. So here we have a value of m, d, whereas m is representing the mass of a hydrogen atom and g is representing the gravitational constant. Now we can equalize both the equation. So we can write 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught times E plus del E divided by R square will be equal to G M H whole square divided by D square. So here R and D both are representing the distance, so we can cancel each other. And it's known that the value of 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 times 10 to the power 9. Whereas G is nothing but 6.67 times 10 to the power negative 11 and the mass of hydrogen atom is nothing but 1.67 times 10 to the power negative 2. So when we are applying all the values, we will get the order of del E as 10 to the power negative 37. So the correct answer for the question is option B here.